These are the faces China doesn't want you to see. Some as young as 15, others as old as 73. Thousands of images of Uyghur prisoners have leaked following a hack on Chinese police servers. This man was imprisoned for growing a beard. This woman, because her son didn't drink or smoke. Others for merely having the Quran on their phone. Traveling to a Muslim country, listening to an Islamic lecture, or learning Islam from their grandmother. All of which have been labelled acts of terrorism. The data also reveals chilling details of a shoot-to-kill policy on anyone trying to escape the prisons, and also horrific images of abuse and indoctrination from within. To date, the Xinjiang police files provide the strongest evidence of China's inhumane persecution of the Uyghurs and debunk the bogus claim that these camps are merely schools. It's time we sanction China and free the Uyghurs.